The purpose of this video is to serve as a final project and to raise awareness about the threat of a cyber attack to the maritime industry. No copyright infringement intended. Any video or image, or a combination of both that is not originally ours, its credit belongs to its rightful owner.
In today's highly connected world, the maritime industry is more vulnerable than ever to cyber attacks. Ports, vessels, and offshore platforms rely heavily on digital systems, and that creates new risks. Our vision is to create a secure, resilient, and digitally empowered maritime industry where innovation thrives and cyber threats are no longer a barrier to safe navigation. And our mission is to strengthen cybersecurity across ships, ports, and offshore platforms by building awareness, investing in technology, enforcing global security standards, and fostering a culture of vigilance and continuous improvement for every crew member, every vessel, and every voyage. First, we need to understand the definition of the maritime data exfiltration attack. In maritime cybersecurity, the act of data transfer and storage manipulation as a cyber attack is commonly referred to as data exfiltration or data theft. This involves unauthorized access to an extraction of sensitive information from a ship's or port's digital system. Second step is to know how data exfiltration happens in maritime cyber attacks. We have the data exfiltration process. The first is the preparation phase. Before initiating the exfiltration, the attackers often prepare the stolen data to avoid detection. First is the data compression. Reducing the size of the data can help in evading network monitoring tools. Next is encryption. Encrypting the data ensures that even if intercepted, it remains unreadable without the description key. Next is encoding. Techniques like base64 encoding can be used to disguise the data, making it appear as harmless traffic. And steganography, embedding data within other files such as images or audio to conceal its presence. Second is the transfer methods. Once prepared, attackers employ various methods to transfer the data off the ship. HTTP or HTTPS channels, using standard web traffic to send data, making it blend with legitimate communications. USB devices, physically removing data by copying it onto USB drives, especially when remote exfiltration isn't visible. Cloud storage, uploading data to cloud services which can then be accessed remotely. Third is purging evidence. To cover their tracks, attackers may delete logs, erasing system and application logs that remove traces of the exfiltration. And remove malware, uninstalling any malicious software used during the attack to prevent detection. The fourth step is planning. Identify the incident. Recognizes the signs of unauthorized data access such as unusual system behavior, unauthorized access attempts, or missing data. Notify key personnel. Immediately inform the Master Chief Officer and designated Cybersecurity Officer. Next is containment and isolation. Disconnect the affected system and secure communication channels. For assessment and analysis, evaluate the impact, determine which systems and data have been compromised, and preserve the evidence. Avoid altering or deleting any data that could serve as evidence. And the last and final step is the implementation. For the recovery and restoration, restore the system from backups and apply security patches. Investigation and reporting. Conduct a thorough investigation and report it to the authorities. Notify the relevant authorities. Post an incident review and improvement. Conduct a debriefing and update policies and procedures.